How to turn off professional account on Instagram. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I will guide you on how you can turn off professional account on Instagram, so make sure to watch the video till the end. So if you want to turn off professional account on Instagram, you can just go ahead and open the Instagram application here. Tap your profile icon from the bottom right, three lines option from the top right, and then just go to settings. Once you come to settings, you want to simply go to account, then scroll down. You'll find switch account type, so tap on it, and when you tap on switch account type, you have two options. If you're on a business account, you'll see switch to creator account. If you're on a creator account, you'll say switch to business account, but both of that is professional account. But what we want to do is to turn off professional, you have to switch to personal account here. So you'll find the option called switch to personal account. You want to make sure to tap on that option here, and then tap on the switch to professional account option, or personal account, sorry, in order to turn off professional account on Instagram. And when you come back, now you'll have a personal account. This way you'll be able to turn off professional account on Instagram. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.